IELTS Listening Module. Target 1. Making Assumptions. Section 1. Questions 1 to 10. Section 1. Listen to the conversation between an apartment house manager and a man who wants to rent an apartment. You will see that there is an example question. The conversation relating to this will be played first.
Good morning.
It's for me.
James asks if there are any one-bedroom apartments available. So the correct answer is one bedroom. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Yes, I was wondering, do you have any one-bedroom apartments available?
Yes, we do. Were you looking for yourself?
Yes, it's for me.
Let me just get some information from you.
Have any one-bedroom apartments available?
Yes, we do. Were you looking for yourself?
Yes, it's for me.
Let me just get some information from you then for our application form. May I have your name?
Yes, it's Kingston. James Kingston.
And what's your current address?
I live over on State Street, number 1705 State Street, apartment 7.
And your phone number?
My home phone, it's 721-0584.
Work phone?
721-1127.
Great. I need to know just one more thing. What is your date of birth?
December 12, 1978.
Thank you. Now, you're interested in a one-bedroom apartment, correct?
That's right.
Did you want just a one-bedroom or a one-bedroom with a den? We have several of those available, and a study is really nice. Having that extra room gives you space for a small home for one bedroom. With a balcony?
No, I don't need that. I'll tell you what I do need, though, is a parking space.
We have garage.
Lots of closets for storage.
We actually have storage areas in the basement. You can rent your own storage space by the month.
That sounds like a good idea.
All right. So I'll put you down for a storage space in the basement.
Sounds good.
Are you interested in our exercise club? We have an exercise room with several pieces of equipment as well as a sauna.
Is it included in the rent?
It's available for a small extra fee.
Then I don't think so. I can always go for a walk for free.
All right then. One bedroom, no balcony. I have several apartments you might like. One of them has a fireplace. Would you be interested in that?
Do I have to pay extra for it?
Actually, no. That apartment is slightly smaller than our other one bedroom, so even though it has a fireplace, the rent isn't any higher.
Okay, then I'll take the fireplace.
There is one drawback.
Next week, but maybe I can wait.
It's a fireplace. Would you be interested in that?
Do I have to pay extra?